Okay, the section that we're going to work on now is size and fit. So we want to scroll to page 4. In all the newer layout versions, size and fit is on page 4. So with Pattern Emporium patterns, there is no between sizes. We have size ranges. So for instance, for this pattern, the first step that you need to do is measure your upper bust. Right here, step 1. So it says measure around your body, above the bust and under the arms. Now remember, you're measuring over skin, and this one, it's better if it's without a bra, because a bra pushes the bust up and can make that number larger than it should be. This number actually has nothing to do, or this measurement has nothing to do with your boobs. It's to do with your upper body. So your shoulders, your neck, your arms, to get that base size regardless of your bust. So then we go down here, and whatever number you are, here it is, the size ranges in centimeters, and here it is in inches. Okay, so once you've got that, you move on to step 2. Now, step 2 is measuring around your bust. Now, it is okay to wear a bra for this one, but I would avoid wearing a very, very padded bra. Perhaps just wear the bra that you are used to wearing, that you would wear with this top. If you are more than 2 sizes bigger, it is worth your while doing a bust adjustment. It is so easy, and I will be running through it in the group. I'll do a little day on adjustments, and it's so easy. Honestly, it's really worth doing if you're more than 2 sizes bigger. And then the third step is to measure your hip and seat. And again, this is a multi-size thing. So if you are within a size or 2, you're fine. But if you're, more than 2 sizes, then I would suggest that you multi-size, just so that fits a little bit better. Once you've gone through all those 3 steps, if you click to the following page, I just outline different adjustments that you can make. Now, multi-sizing. It tells you exactly what to do, and it really is that simple. And again, the bust adjustment, it kind of just talks about why you want a bust adjustment, and why you would do one, and how it makes garments fit better, and then it directs you to the website, which is where you'll find it. And then there's length adjustment. If you've got a super long body or a super short body, again, you can do it if you want to. I'm petite. I just cut along the shortened body line. I don't worry about a length adjustment for this one. And lastly, there's a sleeve adjustment for length. I do this one. And then a bicep adjustment if the bicep is a little bit tight on you.